Amy, say hello.
What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be working on the Nissan again. As you've seen from our previous videos, we were busy working on the back and we actually couldn't make the plate because we had to go back to the guys and they were closed the weekend. So today is Monday, but looks like the place has completely closed down or something. But we have some steel plate. Dylan actually brought some steel plate, so we're gonna see if we're gonna do it, if we can do it ourselves. I don't know, and then if we can, we'll just weld it in and then it's done. Okay guys, so I just quickly built like this bender on the table just to bend that plate. It's not like a really strong one because it's not that thick of plate, you know, so this will work perfectly. So I'm just gonna put the plate underneath and then we can build it on and then just bend it. So, but we're just gonna cut up the plate, measure it out and then we'll do some bends.
Cool.
We have a problem guys, so I didn't actually want to remove the fenders, but I decided to remove it because I wanted to paint inside like there, because you can see it when the fender is on and it's not going to look nice and you can't properly sand it. So I told my brother to take them off and now we're sitting with that problem.
Yes, so we found some more rust.
Luckily we actually removed it, otherwise it would have looked like that if it looked like that. So We're gonna remove the other one, see how that side looks. While he's removing it, I'm just gonna continue there. Where I built the bender. I'm just gonna cut the plate and continue with the
To get it welded in, yes.
Get it welded in, yes.
Cool.
I can't actually believe that our bender worked and we got it right like 100%. So we just decided to do it ourselves. So it turned out really nice. So we're gonna bend the other side, measure it out, bend it the same, and then we can start weld everything in.
Cool.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay guys, so I just tagged in the two plates. I'm not going to fully weld them now. I'm just going to clean everything and see if everywhere else where I need to work and weld.
And rust repair of
rust repair.
Yeah,
and then
or weld actually, because you still have to. I'm just going to remind you that door there as well. I can just show them there.
Yeah, it's got like a crack there, so I'm going to have to weld that as well. But anyway, so we're just going to clean everything and then we'll take it from there.
Cool. Hello, Soap. Hello. Hello. Hello, honey. So this is the new family member. So we decided to keep him. So this is your dog now, and his name is Hammy because he looks like a hamster. So that's why we named him Hammy. Say hello. And he loves to speak and talk and moan and groan. And yeah, we also kept another one, a black one, but he's very lazy and not a car dog. Here's my other car dog. And yeah, and the big one, Storm, is your dog. Yes. Storm! Storm!
So guys, I cleaned everything at the back, and then from this few more holes than expected. Like there's a lot of rust holes everywhere, but it's not to worry about. We're just gonna fix it. So, but now I'm just gonna fix all that, weld it in and all that, and then we can give it some rubberize. Which means this is gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and if you didn't, you can dislike it. But and also if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.
Cheers.